Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to our channel. Now in this video, I'm going to talk about extend operator, which is basically responsible for extending a new column altogether. Okay, so let's say this is my security incident data of my Microsoft Sentinel, and you can see I'm getting multiple values here. Okay, now in the title, I'm getting concepts work Entra ID, and here let's say I just want to extend a specific value as a data source. Okay, so where I will say title contains Entra ID. Okay, let's say I'm doing this, and then I should only get the 3 results, which you can see over here. And then I'm saying whenever this condition matches, then extend a data source column and name it as Entra ID, or give it a value as Entra ID. Okay, so you can see now I have a data source as Entra ID. I'm just extending one column and I'm stamping a value if my conditions are there and I'm getting certain outcome. Now, this is a kind of very naive example of extending, let's say, details. However, let me show you one more example that you might use in real time what the condition defines. So let's say I'm saying data sources, okay, equal to if, again a small condition, if let's say title contains Entra ID, then extend the data source value as Entra ID, or let's say not found. Okay, now if I run this, what we'll see is the other entries as well with the stamped value, which is not found. However, wherever Entra ID is getting detected, I'm seeing Entra ID value. Now, likewise, I have shown you this example. There can be n number of different combinations that you can do. Okay, so for example, this is a very common practice that I do. Okay, and let's say I'm extending alert description. Just an example. Okay, so let's say here I will do a kind of string concatenate, and here what I will do is, let's say, the description fundamentally what I'm getting has a specific severity, and here I can do severity. Now let me extend this and let's see what all we are getting in alert description. Okay, so instead of description, let me choose title. Okay, so you can see now there is a new column with alert description which says concept soak Entra ID account created from non-approved sources involving multiple user has medium, and just to give it more context, I can say severity. And let me just project alert description. Okay, so now you will see has medium severity, medium, and I can just give one space here, and then it will be slightly more beautiful. So basically, extend operator is used to extend a column by extracting some values, or let's say by creating a specific value from a specific column. Okay, now I can show you one more condition wherein I can say that extend, let's say, ownership. Okay, if let's say I'm saying closure state. Okay, I can say that if classification is empty, okay, then the case is not closed or the alert is not closed, else it is closed. Okay, you can see now I'm getting this. And with this being said, you can just keep on adding multiple conditions. Okay, so let's say if I bring back my older condition, which was data source, I can say if title contains entra ID, then data source is entra ID. Otherwise, let's say miscellaneous. So you can see multiple columns can be extended as per your requirement. Okay. So this was all about knowing how the extend operator works. In the next video, we'll talk about join operator, when we will be joining multiple tables on a specific condition altogether. So if you think that this channel is helping you to learn anything new, please feel free to subscribe and share this video with your technical community. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time.